looking at these other people wondering, how can I be like them? How can I turn 500 into 2,000 into 50,000 and make these real big gains that they're seeing all over their TikTok, X, all of that. And a lot of people right now are not set up the right way. They don't know how to do everything. And so in today's video, I'm gonna be just showing you exactly how to get the first part set up. And then on my next video, we'll be showing you how to go from there, and we'll have step-by-step videos coming out in the next couple of days to show everything. So basically what you're going to want to do, click the link in the bio, which is axiom.trade/@cash. That's going to save you 20% off fees, and that's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. Make sure you do that. And so basically, guys, you're going to come to this page. Once you do that, go over to sign up. You can either sign up with an email, Google, Phantom, but in today's video, we're just gonna be doing Phantom because this is the best way to set up everything. And so what we're gonna do is click on Connect to Phantom, right? You see that Phantom is not installed. So we're gonna come over to the Phantom website. So just type in Phantom on your Chrome browser. You'll see the first thing that pops up. Make sure it says phantom.com. Click on that, go over to download, come over to Chrome, and then you're going to click add to Chrome. And once you do that, it's going to make a pop-out come out as well. It's going to be added. But if you see right over here where this little extension bar is to the top right, I like to make sure I pin it so it's always just sitting right there. And so what you're going to do is you're going to do create new wallet. You can either continue with email, or you can create a recovery phrase. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to make a password. And we're going to make sure that we remember this. Make sure you write this down. And as well, this next thing that's going to pop up, make sure you write it down. And so this is going to be your recovery phrase. I don't really care. So this is my recovery phrase, right? But make sure that you save yours somewhere. So I'm going to click on I save my phrase. And then you're going to click on continue. Make your username. So I'll just do Cash the Goat, right? Or whatever. You make your username, continue. That doesn't really matter. And now you've set up a Phantom wallet. So now you're good to go. You can click on get started and you'll see it'll pop up on a sidebar. But what you can also do is just click on this and you can have your account right here. So now that you've done that, you can click out of these two. You can come back over to here. Make sure you have code cash right here. Click on connect with Phantom. And again, start trading, sign up. Make sure you click on connect with Phantom. Right over here, you'll see a little thing that says, do you want to connect? You'll click on that, connect. You'll click on confirm. And now you will click on confirm one last time. And then you'll click on sign again. All right, so now you are in Axiom. We can close out this Phantom thing. You can see all of this stuff, reveal your private key. And this is going to be your private key for Axiom. So I'll just show it, whatever, it doesn't matter because I'm not using this. This is just a test account to show you guys exactly. So you can just see the new updates. When you first go on the page, you can see some of the features that Axiom has compared to all of these other platforms. And now it'll show you exactly where you want to deposit. But you can just skip this. You can click on the X. But now you're in, right? You've now gotten your Axiom account ready and loaded. And so what you're going to want to do is go over to Portfolio. Once you go to Portfolio, you're going to click on Wallets. You'll see that you have this new wallet that's created for you. You can either create new wallets. You can import that wallet by going over here, clicking on this. But we're going to show you exactly how to export this wallet into your Phantom so that you can always do other things with that wallet. You're going to want to click on Export Private Keys. You're going to want to click on Connect with Phantom, right? It'll pull up this little thing that's just a confirm button. You'll click on confirm. It's right here. You just can't see it on my screen. And then once you do that, it'll verify. It'll drop you your private key, right? Now you're going to want to click on this. Never share your private key with anybody else. You're going to copy that. Now you're going to bring it over here. And so now you have Phantom again. You copied that private key. You want to go back over to your Phantom. This bar, you're going to click this little profile icon. Click on that. Go over to the plus at the bottom. Then you're going to go to import private key. You can paste in your private key. Give it a name like Axiom main wallet. Perfect. Now you're going to click on import. And so now you have that fully imported. So if you're going to send any money anywhere, you want to send it to this wallet right here. You can either just click the wallet if you ever want to like just copy and paste it, or you can go into here, click on receive. You can click on this, copy that wallet address. So now we're going to close out of here. We're going to close out of here, and I'm going to show you some very good setup tips. This is going to save you a lot of money in the long run. Now that you've set all of that up, first, you're going to want to go to Pulse, which is the main thing to trade on. I would suggest unselecting this and this, which is Hood and BNB. Make sure you stay on to Sol. And so what we're going to want to do is click on any random coin. So now you've clicked on that. Now you're going to want to come over to this thing where it says preset 1. What you're going to want to do is click on auto fee right here and change this number to 0.0001. So that's 3 zeros before the 1. And then as well, you're going to come over to your sell settings, turn on auto fee, and make sure you delete it, right? And then you do 0.000. So now there's 3 zeros before the 1, and you can just click off of that. And now you've saved that. That's going to save you a lot of money on fees and a lot of things like that. As well, I'm going to just show you guys a good little tip for filters that I suggest using. What you're going to want to do is, just while you're beginning out, click on select all, then click on unselect all, and then what you'll want to do is you're going to want to click on only these 3 buttons. This is just pump, right? As well, now you're going to want to go to audit. Do recent visitors for the new pairs, which is the very beginning, the newest coins to come out. Make sure you do 10 recent visitors. You can leave whatever that dev holdings on. And then as well, you're going to want to go to metrics, and you're going to go to global fees paid. Do at least 0.05, just so you're not seeing a lot of the scam coins. So you're going to start seeing that there's only a couple coins now. And so this is going to be getting a lot of that away from you, a lot of that bad stuff out. And so now you're going to go back over to final stretch. And for this, I like to do recent visitors 5, right? And as well with your metrics, you can keep this how it is. Might as well actually just take out the market cap. And so now you're going to have this. Remember what you did in the last one? You're going to click on select all, unselect all, and then only select these 3. Perfect. So now you're going to see that there's only 3 coins that are possibly even good. That means only 25 people are viewing them. This one has 300. And so what you can do is when you click on a coin, go over to instant trade. This pops up and this will be your wallet. And you can click on like this and it'll automatically buy you right there. And you can see certain KOL bubbles. I'll be making another video on how to set up all of these bubbles, all of the trackers that you need for you to be successful as well. If you join the Discord down below in the comments, there's a lot of people that'll be willing to help you out, as well as give you trackers and lists of people to watch out for and to buy what they're buying, sell what they're selling. A lot of good information in the Discord down below, totally free for all users, all ways of life. And yeah, for this migrate, you can kind of keep it the same, but what I like to do is just put on recent visitors like 10, just so you're seeing only stuff that people are actually interested in, right? And so this is the main setup that I like to use. There's a lot of extra stuff that you can use for it, but I would say this is a good place to start here. Over to Discover, you can see just the top trending tokens. I don't really look at this too much, only if I want to see what is really going on. As well, trackers, I'll be making a new thing for this. I'll make a new video for this to show exactly how to set this up perfectly. So make sure you're in the Discord to get all updates when I drop videos, when I drop coins, when I give any type of good calls information. There's tons of people in the Discord that have turned $10 into, I think, 30 Sol, multiple $5,000 wins as well. So that is a good place to start. Make sure that you're on the Discord. That's going to save you a lot of time figuring out this place. And basically, perpetuals, this is just for you can spot BNB, Solana, all of that. Predictions, it's prediction markets. You have to be in the US to, not in the US, but you have to be outside the US to use it. We're just going to exit this. Yep, exit. and we're gonna go back over to Vision. You can see the top KOLs. So what I like to do is, you can like copy their addresses, but they will pop up on your trades as well. You go back over to the portfolio tab. You'll be able to see all of your active positions. You'll be able to see all of your history, and you'll be able to see all of your trades over here as well as your top 100. If you want to create new wallets, you can just do create, and you can export them the same way I did. You can see your profit on perpetuals and predictions. Over here, you'll have rewards. So if you use my code, you'll automatically get this 30% rate back. And so that means every single time you trade, you'll be getting a little bit of money to claim. And you can just go over here and click claim once this pops up. And yeah, guys, that is Axiom. This is just the starter video. This is numero uno out of the next. I'll make 5 videos total. The next video should be coming out in the next couple of hours. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you've not joined the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. That will be in the description below. And as well, make sure that you use the link down below to make sure that you save 20% off fees. Thank you guys so much. It's been a pleasure. If you have any questions, please make sure to join the Discord and ask them. It's been a pleasure. Peace.